What is good, everyone? I'm going to be going over how I made $1,300 on my new Topstep combine. I'm also going to be going over how I took a loss on my funded. And I'm going to be I might go over how I got my payout. Not many people know, but I have requested a payout. I might go over that, or I might go over it in a different video, so stay tuned. Depends how long it takes to get to that part. Okay, so what did I take? This is going to look really scrappy, and I'll explain why in a minute. When my Topstep decides to unfreeze, because it's frozen right now. Is it going to unfreeze? Okay, here. So, show chart executions. You can see there's a few orders. So basically what happened, let me just explain what happened real quick. I accidentally took profit too early, and then I was just trying to get like a quick little grab of like 200 profit, and I ended up not moving anywhere. I ended up just like staying pretty stagnant. But my TP was set way too early, so I was just trying to milk an extra 200, but I was getting a little bit scared, which was not a good idea. I should have just let it run, literally just waited for this candle. Could have hit my extra profit. But to make it a little bit cleaner for you guys, now you guys have seen that for proof. Just to make it a bit cleaner, the trade I took, I kind of just forgot the trade I took. The trade I took was here. It was a 1 to 1.6 with 1,000 risk. Well, matter of fact, it was like here and here. So about almost 1,000 risk. As you can see, it was a good trade. What did I take it off of? Well. High time frame bias. We had this obvious draw. We'd already taken, this gap. We'd inversed this. Sure, it wasn't a very strong inversion, but we had inversed it nonetheless. So I was like, okay, this is the obvious draw, in my opinion. Yes, also this high hadn't been taken, so it looked good to me that this high was going to get taken. If we just go on the daily, I mean, it looks pretty darn bullish. And I'm expecting, I said in June I was expecting all-time highs. Whether we will achieve them in June, I don't know. But I do think we're going to reach all-time highs in the upcoming month to maybe 3 months. Why did I take it more specifically? As you can see, I actually caught the largest candle of the day, which is a nice feeling. Well, we took out, these lows, bang, 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 took them all out. 5 minute, what did we do on the 5 minute? 5 minute, inverse this gap here. And you might be thinking, oh, well, we inverse this gap here, right? But yes, we inversed it, but we got instant, rejection upwards. So that wasn't a massive issue, and especially, if that had happened without an SMT, okay, probably wouldn't have taken it. But we had this, I guess you could call it a 5 minute SMT, but it's more specifically a 1 minute SMT. If we go on the 1 minute, we had, oh my god, that is so off. Okay, let me just show you guys the SMT we had. We had this SMT here, big ass wick, and I was contemplating should I enter, and I saw we rejected it, and then I decided, you know what, this wick looks so nice, like, that is technically a rejection, so entered, and it was a nice, clean, move to my take profit. So I literally bought this account 5 minutes before I traded it. 5 minutes before I traded it. I kid you not. So this is the account, 5 trades, because I was trying to just milk the extra profit, as you can see. Some of them won. The fees, okay, maybe it cut me down about $50. Which is kind of annoying that I didn't get the 1,500 day, but whatever. It's 40% win rate. Jesus. Okay. Anyway, more importantly, how is the funded doing? It could be worse. It could be worse. As you can see here, you know, we've dipped a little bit more, you know, not the lowest we've ever been, but this is how it's looking for June. May was a lot nicer. A lot nicer. Again, another stupid trade. I'm not going to blame it on trading pre-market. I don't think pre-market's the issue. I'm not even going to prove the trade I took, because why would I lie about a loser, you know? But the trade I took... Let me find it. Let me find it. Oh, yeah. It was... Was it off of that? Nah, it was off of this. Stops were here. I was going to go break even at these lows here. We never achieved them lows. I really thought we were going to have a free break even. But ultimately, you know, the idea of the short was that I was shorting off this fair value gap, this 4-hour gap. You know, but it just wasn't clean, considering we'd already had this, and, you know, the daily's so bullish, and it was even bullish back then. This isn't really a very clean gap. And, you know, going on the 1 hour, there was fucking nothing on the 1 hour. Not even an SMT or anything. Where are we looking? We're looking here. There's not even an SMT with these lows. 15-minute, there was nothing. Basically, I'm quite happy with the lower time frame execution, but it doesn't matter just because of how bad my high time frame analysis was on this trade. The idea was, I was expecting these lows to get run up. We were kind of choppy, but I was like, you know what? We've had nice displacement and lower. You know, we've had a nice close below these lows. IFVG, this was a big, you know, persuader. We had this IFVG here. And I just thought, look, there's no way we don't achieve these lows. There's no way I don't get a break even. No, we didn't get a break even. We ended up slamming the 400 loss. But I guess the ultimate thing is I need to be more careful of the high time frame. The high time frame just wasn't aligning with my shit. But how long is this video, bro? 8 minutes. Okay, that is long enough. I will probably make a separate video on how I got my payouts, so you guys can know the payout. Here's the Discord. Here, you guys can see it's a little payout. It will almost pay for 2 more accounts. It hasn't come through yet, so I'll probably make the video when it comes through. Join the Discord. Here is the Discord right now. I'm probably going to start doing the vlogs again, because, oh shit. Hang on, guys. I didn't actually show you guys my screen. Here's my payout. 349. In the Discord. Join the freaking Discord, guys. It's epic and half. We're all getting profitable together. So that kind of concludes this. Like I said, join the Discord. Subscribe. I'm going to make a vlog video tomorrow. And hopefully, we can take a win. The funded, tiny bit of drawdown. 4 winning days. We'll try and get a payout from the funded, because I actually didn't get a payout from the funded. You guys, I just showed you guys. But anyway, I'll probably save it for maybe a video on the weekend. Whenever I get my payout and it actually comes through, I will show you guys. Peace out. Boys.